Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This video is a little bit different. We are going to be creating a virtual machine. Stay tuned.
Part 1.
First, we need to open up an internet browser, like Google Chrome. We are going to go to the VirtualBox website first. We will select VirtualBox 6.1. We will select Windows Host. The file will now start downloading. Once downloaded, click on the file to open it. To keep this installation simple, we will press yes and next for everything here. Now, press install. Now, press finish. Now we will go to the Linux website. Now press download Linux. Here, you can select whatever type of Linux you want. I'm going to select Ubuntu. Now press Ubuntu Desktop. Now press download. The file will now start downloading. This shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. Now the download is finished, we can open VirtualBox. OK, start by pressing New. Now we will make a name for this machine. You can name it whatever you like. Make sure the type and version is the same as I have here. Make sure the memory size is at least the recommended amount. We can keep this all the same. Just press next to everything. Now, go into the settings of the virtual machine. Now press Advanced. Change both of these to bidirectional. Press OK. Now, press Start. Here, we need to select the file we downloaded. Now, we need to let Ubuntu start up.
Part 2.
Just wait for it to load. Press Install Ubuntu. Select your language, then press Continue. I'm going to select minimal installation to make the video faster. Press Install now. Press Continue. Select location, then press Continue. Type in some information. Let this download. Press Restart now. You can skip this if you want. Like earlier, just keep pressing Next. Now you have a virtual Linux machine.